Hey, what's up guys? I found Target mystery box. It was in one of those sports card section, Pokemon section. So over $75 in value, retail value, and it has 15 plus mystery items to unbox. Sweet. So super collector's mystery box, $25. That saves 50. Very unique little box from Target. I love it. It looks like a big box, like a crate box. Anyway, let's open it up, see what's inside. Well glued. And we'll take out one piece at a time. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Okay. Godzilla. So Godzilla exclusive A and B. So looks like it's gonna be a pile of like a mystery, like figurines and so on. Let's find out. Probably need my knife over here. So anyways, I think it'll be a fun video, a fun find. Oh, cool. Looks like it's not exclusive. It's one of these. That's cool. So we didn't get exclusive one. I guess the chase is for those. Cool, let's keep on going, see what we got. Oh no, Hello Kitty, really? Let's set it aside for later. Okay, there's Lord of the Rings. Cool. So again, the chase is for that. Yeah, I had no idea what I was getting in myself into, and there it is. So which one we got? We got one of these, so not exclusive. Another little like keychain or a zipper, little toy, I guess. So there's a whole bunch of them. Figural bag clip, cool. So there's the two mystery ones. These things are popular. And what we get? Is it a mystery? Nope, we got that one. Wow, a bunch of weird stuff. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Let's set it to the side. There's a bunch of little toys. How's that collectible? No. Well, now we know what's inside this Target place. What is this supposed to be? Is that a little slime type of thing? Okay. Okay, that is weird. Okay, let's keep on going. And there's like a collector thing over here. The green one right here. Okay, that's strange. Okay. Alright, there's another chance for collector one. Oh no way, what is it? Big square over here? Cool, so it's not a mystery kind. Oh, there it is, Harry Potter. Tag bag, is there a mystery one? I don't think so. Oh, the chase is a gold one, I guess. I have no idea what they're worth, or if they're worth anything. And we got Weasley, of course. We didn't get the gold one. That's cool. Keep on going. Another chance for the Godzilla mystery one. Will we get it a third time? Oh, what is this? I kind of like that one. That's a green one, not mystery again. Okay, what else is there? What is this? A sugar buzz. Interesting. So some kind of candy. Okay. Keep it like that. Oh, I kind of like that. A little egg. Who does not like the cute cough? Gouda tema. Lazy egg. But what is it for? I have no idea. Okay, that's weird. Feels like it's like a weird mystery box from Target. Toy box, 50 to collect. Seriously? Oh, it's a mini brands. Mini brands are cool. That's so hilarious. A lot of people obsess about mini brands. Not really my thing, but there goes. There's a horsey. What is in here? Oh, no way. There's like a mini brands, like a whole pile of them for toys. 50 to collect. Okay, makes sense. We've seen it. It'll be toys like that. Alright, let's see what else we find. Oh, look at that. 3 more balls. No way, Toy Story. Would be cool to get one of those 3-eye aliens. I think they're cool. I don't know. Now I got a ton of toys for my kids, that's for sure. Oh, nice. Wow, that is cool. I like it. Suction cups. Put it on the car or whatever. That is... Okay, that's my favorite. I like those aliens. They're kind of cool. What else can we get out of them? Let's open them all up. I'm so glad I got the alien. Or is it all aliens? It says Disney. All of the type of Disney. I'm so glad we hit that one. Nope, looks like they're all aliens except they are different theme. I get it. That is awesome. I like that. Okay, that is funny. Oh, I see. I get it now. I mean, how cool is that? Who does not like that? I'm going to give it to my kids for sure. And there's another, some kind of, I don't know, Disney ball. Collector's ball. Oh, no way, Stitch. Of course. Stitch is gonna be the best one out of them all. It's like one of the first animation movies, or like movies I watched in the movie theaters. It was Stitch. So that's kind of cool. Except, I don't know, he kind of looks strange. And there's like a little bend. Look at his face. He looks super strange. Anyways, now we know what's inside the mystery box. I have right here Hello Kitty plush, something more plushes. $25 for all of that. Hello Kitty is popular right now. What is this? So in case you're curious what's in there, now you don't have to buy it, or you can buy it if you want all that stuff. So another dogs versus squirrels. My goodness, so many weird collecting stuff. Okay, there it is. I mean, out of all of those, I like Godzilla's, and probably this is the best right here. 3-eye aliens. Who doesn't like those? But anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think about this mystery box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.